Hello.
Oh, snap!
Did you get that on video?
Yes!
Oh my God, that's
It's gonna be hot.
Fail!
It just broke.
That is such
It's stuck in the
fail!
It's stuck.
Just take it by the cord. Oh my God!
It's stuck in the ground.
Here, hold it. I'll take
That was the worst shot.
Hold it!
What is it? It was stuck in the ground.
Well, where's the bottom piece? Uh-oh.
Yes!
It sucks. The bottom piece is gone.
Okay, I'm still recording though!
That sucks. Where'd the rocket go?
I don't know. I'm trying to look for it. Oh, I found it!
Nuh-uh.
Yeah.
Oh, the rocket's still in there.
No, it fell out.
One rocket fell out. It's because they didn't have silicone. I hate this.